The MA50 essentially is, as of now, at $1, or so they explicitly thought. The $1,74695 support level for Spellist fundamentally is areas of strength for truly, so they in every practical sense thought. Spellist fundamentally is faced with opposition level of R1 at $0.96 which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bears control spells essentially current cost activities, which in a real sense is very critical. 05 April 2024. In this video, we will explicitly walk you through by and large spell truly token cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and really attempt to answer these. Habitually essentially got clarification on pressing issues what in a real sense is especially momentary cost expectation for in every practical sense. Spell token, in a real sense, is for the most part spell or for the most part wise venture, or so they truly thought. Spell kind of symbolic help and opposition levels and so forth in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to plunging kind of profound into the spell specialized examination, essentially let us truly discuss the fundamentally current economic situations in a for the most part significant manner. Market investigation over the sort of last 24 hours, there really was a defeat of 184%, bringing the especially whole digital currency market to 492, 603, 616, 514, or so they basically thought. The genuinely complete exchanging volume sort of stands at $105, 179, 779.26 in an especially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum essentially has a predominance of 16.33%, or so they for the most part thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, 895 level after a decay of 59% in a kind of huge manner. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 318% coming to $3,257.94 during the past 24 hours, which essentially is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $578.84, following a value change of 19% within a similar time period, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $66, 895 level after a decay of 59% in an unobtrusive manner. Sol, the very local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near 857 and right now exchanging at $172.88, showing how most certainly spell extremely token help and opposition levels and so forth, which especially is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in every practical sense is very critical. These occasions for the most part demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a really descending course for genuinely present moment, all things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking. As of now, a sort of broad, especially regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Spell kind of symbolic help and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to especially distinguish fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path. So Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a predominance of 16.33%, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Support explicitly is a level at which purchases especially become genuinely more sort of dynamic and really prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, exhibiting how fundamentally spell certainly token help and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish in every practical sense key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path. So Bitcoin shares 82% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every way that really matters has a strength of 16.33%. Or so they certainly thought. Similarly, opposition truly is a level at which merchants for the most part become move commonly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and opposition levels of in a real sense spell kind of token spell certainly token. Execution, the cost of essentially spell exceptionally token spell generally is at $96,994. Down 169% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and for the most part has a value change of 66% throughout the week in a sort of significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC truly is 7,682,709 USD, while sort of all-out market cap came to $89,992,626 USD. So similarly, obstruction fundamentally is a level at which dealers for the most part become essentially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving a lot higher in an exceptionally enormous manner. There truly are practically 103,446 and 2,678 truly are available for use out of 103,214,939,480, exhibiting that the dollars and pies 74695 support level for Spellist certainly is actually areas of strength for fundamentally an extremely enormous way. Spell especially token value examination spell cost examination for 05 April 2024 inside a day-to-day time span in every way that really matters, made sense of underneath, exhibiting how following generally are the help and obstruction levels of generally spell especially token spell genuinely token execution. The cost of generally spell kind of token spell truly is at $6994. Down 169% in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours and basically has a value change of 6% throughout the week in a kind of significant manner. We utilize kind of relative strength indexes, moving sort of normal union and dissimilarity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including truly straightforward moving really normal SMA and outstanding moving fundamentally normal MA to dissect the future development of a spell token. Exhibiting that, moreover, Coco's BCX came to Dara 0.60 subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While Spell's Williams percent R pointer certainly is at 54,378 for the 14-day time span showing an unbiased condition. An exchange most certainly signals certainly is in every practical sense conceivable at this reach, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The Spellist moving truly normal union and dissimilarity MACD pointer basically is showing a present moment certainly sell fundamentally signal, as the MACD line most certainly is moving beneath exceptionally signal line, which fundamentally implies in every practical sense. Bears especially are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting how explicitly spell truly token value examination spell cost examination for 05 April 2024 inside a kind of day-to-day time period for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how following really are the help and opposition levels of basically spell all things considered. Token spell commonly token execution, the cost of in a real sense spell commonly token spell especially is at dollars and has $6994. Down 169% in the sort of beyond 24 hours and in every practical sense has a value change of 6% throughout the week, which especially is very critical. According to the cost examination, the spell cost may track down help it. These essential degrees of dollars and $74695 moving underneath these levels could generally carry the cost to dollars and $6849. So according to the cost investigation, the spell cost may track down help at these vital degrees of dollars and $74695.